We've got three principal focuses. One is in a niche of dermatology called allergic contact dermatitis. We help dentists and other medical professionals with marketing material that helps them attract and retain new patients. And we have lots of dental offices that we're operating on our own. We do a lot of transactions overseas, and with investments in all of Asia and in all of Europe, sometimes the currency gets complicated. And our previous bank had a pretty slick solution with yen forward contracts. And Enterprise said, there's a woman who sits at a desk in Kansas City who knows more about this than anybody. So let's try that and see if it works. And here we are, more than a year later, and it's worked out great. It's been seamless, and they've done a great job for us. We've got different relationships for different entities that we have, and even different relationship managers at the bank. And if it's a loan, for example, that requires real estate expertise, they've got that expertise. If it's something that involves a tax credit, they've got that kind of expertise. But what I like is there is somebody looking at the entirety of the relationship, and they're paying attention. They're also big believers in the ultimate question, which has to do with whether we would recommend or give advice to somebody else that they should use Enterprise Bank, and our answer to that question would be yes. It's great in the world of today to be able to walk into a bank and have it feel like it's part of the community, as opposed to just some institution where you have to get in line and show your ID.